Choose the sentence that is worded the most accurately and clearly. When looking for the clearest sentence, we'll keep an eye out for proper grammar, logical flow, and modifiers that describe the intended subject accurately. As a review, a modifier is anything that modifies or changes a part of a sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The student answered the question," we can add intelligent to modify student, confidently to modify answered, or difficult to modify question. When applied ambiguously, modifiers can decrease the clarity of a sentence, as we see in the famous joke, "One morning I shot an elephant in my pajamas. How he got in my pajamas, I don't know." With all of this in mind, let's take a look at our sentences. A. While walking to the store, the rain began to pour heavily. At first glance, this sentence seems very clear. However, upon a closer reading, we can see that there's some ambiguity. Because the first clause has no clear subject, it can appear that the rain itself was walking to the store when it began to pour heavily. As this doesn't seem like the clearest way to express this sentence, we can mark this choice off. B. The rain started to pour heavily while I was walking to the store. This sentence gives us clear subjects, the rain and I, and tells us exactly what each subject is doing. The rain is pouring, and I was walking. As this seems to be a clear and straightforward way of expressing this thought, we'll keep an eye on it as we take a look at our other choices. C. Walking to the store, it began to rain heavily. The structure of this sentence makes it sound like whatever was walking to the store, which the sentence doesn't specify, started raining on the way to the store. Because this sentence doesn't have a clear subject, we can mark this choice as incorrect. And D. The store was nearby, then the rain poured heavily. This sentence has a confusing structure and makes it sound like it was the proximity to the store that made it start raining. As this isn't the clearest way to express this thought, we can mark this as incorrect and mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.